been pretty dry lately. Okay, this is how it looks blow dried. So it's a nice, bright, vibrant blonde. It's just that old school platinum that you wanted back in the day. And now I'm going to go old school again with how I style it. And I'm going to use my Velcro rollers, which were like everything in high school, like high school and my early 20s. This is how I always did my hair, with Velcro rollers, and I just wanted to try them out again just because my hair has been so dry from using the flattening iron on it a lot, a curling iron, so I just wanted to get some nice volume, some nice wave in it. You're seeing a lot of the 90s inspired hair lately, and I just wanted to go for that 90s vibe with the color and the style. So yeah, so I'm just going to use 6 Velcro rollers for the top of my hair, and then I am going to go in and just pin curl the rest just by rolling it up and using a pin curl clip. And yeah, you just roll it up like that, slide in a clip, and it'll stay. And my hair, my ends feel so nice after using the Revitaluxe. It really needed a deep conditioning, and I definitely felt that my hair felt a lot smoother and healthier after I had used the Revitaluxe in it. Alright, I'll probably let it sit for about 20 minutes like this. Now that it's all cooled, because once I've blow dried it, my hair was warmed up, and then I pinned it, and then I left it to set for about 20 minutes. This is the effect that you get, just that nice, big, soft wave where it kind of curls under. Total 90s vibe. I've seen Kylie Jenner wear her hair like this a few times, and yeah, just gonna take them all out and just kind of set it with my fingers, kind of put it in place where I want it to fall. Alright, so if this were back in the day, I definitely would have took a fine tooth comb to the crown of my hair and teased it out as big as I could, but these are not the times we are in, so there, yes, I'm just going to guide the front pieces out, flip them out a little bit, and just set it again with the Moroccan oil extra strength hairspray, and curl those bottom pieces in, and there you have it. Definitely a vintage 90s supermodel vibe going on with the hair. And I am just gonna turn off the lights so that you can see it under natural lighting as well. And I did go in again with the V9 on my ends, just to kind of take out any more of the gold that was in my ends. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.